Welcome to Global Network News. My name is Abida Kumayowa. Political hurricane. War between Buruji Kashamu and Ladipupo Adebutu. Both are running under the same umbrella of People Democratic Party, PDP. Here is a little biography from Honorable Buruji Kashamu, born 19th of May 1958. Honorable Buruji Kashamu is a Nigerian politician who is serving as a senator from Ogun State. He represents Ogun East in the current 8th National Assembly. Senator Kashamu is the vice chairman of the Senate Committee on State and Local Government.
I remain as Ogun PDP governorship candidate in Ogun State.
Thanks for watching Global Network News. I'll be back soon. Welcome back to Global Network News. Here is a little biography from Honorable Oladipupo Adebutu. Born 25th February 1962. Honorable Oladipupo Adebutu is a Nigerian politician from Ogun State. At the age of 30, he won his seat in the National Assembly in 1992, where he has represented Remo Federal Constituency under the umbrella of Social Democratic Party, SDP. Honorable Oladipupo Adebutu also ran for the Senate under the United Nations Congress Party, UNCP, in 1998. Since he has become a full member of People Democratic Party, PDP, he has also run other positions to National Assembly, both 2003, 2007, and 2011, and is a member of National Assembly in Ogun State, and is presently running for the position of Governor of Ogun State under the umbrella of People Democratic Party, PDP, which has also declared by the Court of Appeal sitting in Ibadan, 18 December year 2018.
I'm the presidential candidate of my party because I now have that High Court order.
Here is the complicated matter. The present serving governor of Ogun State, Honorable Ibikunle Amosu, has also nominated Mr. Adekunle Akinlade under the political party of Alliance People's Movement, APM, and the former president of Nigeria, Olusegun Obasanjo, has also nominated Honorable Gboyega Nasiru Isaka under the umbrella of Alliance Democratic Congress, ADC, due to his loyalty to Baba. And Honorable Ladi Adebutu Keshintin, who happened to be the in-law to General Olusegun Obasanjo, is the only choice candidate from the People's Democratic Party, PDP. Honorable Ladi Adebutu, popularly known as Lado, is the son of Sir Adebutu Keshintin, billionaire philanthropist, aka Baba Ijebu. The legal touches between Ladi Adebutu and Buruji Kashamu. The PDP National Executive has nominated Ladi Adebutu as their preferred candidate, according to the chairman of the PDP, Prince Uche Secondus, as affirms that Ladi Adebutu Keshintin is the governorship candidate of Ogun State. Meanwhile, Buruji Kashamu, through his legal challenge to the nominations of Ladi Adebutu, received a boost from the INEC and the court order stipulated on the ballot paper. But according to the constitution of the People's Democratic Party, PDP, the chairman must sign nomination form of any candidate before INEC recognition. Alas, Buruji Kashamu has been expelled from PDP, and none of PDP members endorsed his nomination form. Anyway, the legal battles has commenced, awaiting court order decision who is going to be the next governor of Ogun State under the umbrella of People Democratic Party, PDP. Comes 2019. Popularity, integrity, and wealth. The two giants under the umbrella of People Democratic Party, PDP, are billionaires, both Buruji Kashamu and Ladipupo Adebutu. But Ladi Adebutu Keshintin is the son of the billionaire philanthropist. Sir Adebutu Keshintin always wanted his son to be the executive governor of Ogun State based on his popularity, based on his philanthropist gestures, based on his importance in traditional rulers of Ogun State as the best dignitaries beyond. While Buruju Kashamu is also a billionaire and he won this governorship contest to be his favour because of his legal extraditive order from the United States and because of his political lifeline. Because if Buruju Kashamu became the governor of Ogun State, he will have the power of immunity and he cannot be extradited from United States of America. And he is not a believer of APC, despite he has a very personal relationship with his godfather, Bulu Sheriff, the former big wins of PDP, and he is ready to make this contest as do or die. By the way, Ladipupo Adebutu, aka Lado, has been the offspring of his father by building a school, libraries, giving money to the less one, and support the charity organization, develop the Ogun State through the grassroots. He has a various company where Ogun State indigenes are the priority workers, and as of today, Honorable Ladipupo Adebutu is one of the preferred candidates to win the election in Ogun State comes 2019. More so, is the most popular among the candidates from APC, PDP, ADC, and co. So we are waiting the bet to unfold after the court running Neda Buruju Kashamu can be the governor of Ogun State. Why integrity cannot allow him to do so, and Ladipupo Adebutu will use his father's influence to be the next governor of Ogun State, because Ladi himself is the people's choice. He's a man of dignity and integrity. But the recent court order favored Buruju Kashamu, while Ladipupo Adebutu case still pending in court. Thank you for watching Global Network News. Here I drop my curtain.